This is what we have. Good afternoon, y'all. My good friend Pat Cruz always told me when you're an artist, do what you do best. So I want to start with the art. I want to start with a poem that is dedicated to you and to all of those beautiful young people who you love and who you miss a whole bunch these days. It's called the Corsetta Sims poem. And it says, when I was in second grade, I colored everything black. That's so this girl, this beautiful girl named Cosetta Sims. And in your own little living room, I want you to say her name for me. Just say Corsetta
Corsetta
Sims.
Sims.
I
Sims.
love it. Beautiful. I used to give her all my crayon. Red, yellow, pink, green, purple. I wanted her pictures to be pretty like I thought she was. All day long in my little desk, I used to sit and I would stare at Cosetta. She was a mashup of Beyonce and Taylor Swift. She had one ponytail kissing each of her shoulders, separated by a pod so straight. Her mama must have used a ruler to make it. Her mama was a magician. Somebody say, ta-da!
Ta-da!
Her mama knew how to oil, how to brush, and how to plait a little black girl's hair. Make it grow 2 inches every 2 minutes. I used to imagine Corsetta's mama combing her hair every morning and whispering, Mama love her baby. Into the ribbon. Dirty dishwater was the only mirror I ever saw. Even my dishwashing liquid was mean to my little black hands and my own hair. Never Alicia hair. My hair. Never cuddly next to the yarn my mama would twist on it at night. At night, my mama would slam dunk my head between sweaty black knees. My mama would put two little pigtails on my head. Mama would make me go to school looking like a Teletubby. Everybody laughing. Look at Gail. Gail looks funny. Corsetta looked perfect. And I was perfect too. Yeah, right. I was a perfect loudmouth. I was a perfect smarty. I was the second grade girl that the teachers would grab in the hallway. This is my babe. Get over here. This is Gail. You know that Gail can read on an 8th grade level. Read something for them, Gail. The pain of being smart. Corsetta never had to read anything because her hair was silky, because she was perfect. At playtime, I would run fast because I had to keep up with Corsetta. I remember, y'all, the smell of her ponytail smacking my cheeks. I remember her green satin ribbon picking up the green of her velvet dress perfectly. I never dared ask her to be my friend because I knew that her answer would be no, you're not worthy. Well, guess what, teachers? I hope y'all are saying what? I saw Corsetta 10 years ago at the high school reunion. She couldn't take her eyes off me. I went up to her like I was Beyonce, and I said, I'm a poet now, Corsetta. I go all over the world and I show young people the power, the beauty, and the brilliance of words. And all Corsetta could look at me, y'all, and mumble was, oh. Well, we always knew you would turn out special, Gail. I didn't tell her that 20 years earlier I would have sold my mama just for the chance to be Corsetta for 3 minutes. Because guess what, y'all? Some things, even Corsetta, didn't need to know. Give me a kiss. I can't see you all, but I want a real one. Lean in, Miss Lee. Mwah! Yes, right. We are kissing the power of poetry. And I'm not talking about no Nikki Giovanni. I'm not talking about Robert Frost. I'm talking about y'all.